Good morning. I am Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I'm working on week 44 of Margarete Miller's collage assignments. And I have to say, I really wish I had cut this little piece out right here on this one. I don't know why I didn't notice that. That's so weird. I guess I was so focused on ripping her skirt, but anyway. For this one today, for this collage, we need an image with a sky in it, and I thought this image from a calendar would be perfect for that. A patterned paper, and I thought I would use this, and I would just put it at the top of the page. Something associated with a period in history, and I thought this knight in shining armor would be perfect. And I will have to fussy cut around him, of course. Something that starts with a B, and I thought I would put these little tiny butterflies in there. Yarn or fiber or string, and I've got these green and kind of a yellowish embroidery thread, and I'm just going to put them in the grass so they can be like a textured grass element. And something torn is this. So this is my pattern paper and my torn bonus. So that's everything. First thing I think I will do is glue down my background and then fussy cut out my knight in shining armor, which I got from one of my cut up this books. I can't remember if it was the Wonderland cut this book or what's the other one called? I can't remember now. Wonderland and Underworld. I can't remember which one it is, but it was one of those. And here we go. So we'll get that down. I hope you're doing well. Whoops. I had to pick up my son in Binghamton. He has about a week off of college, and they closed the dorms, and so he had to come home. And I looked in Joann's. I wanted to find a cute little tablecloth for fall, and all I can see in there was Halloween and Christmas stuff. A few little like wreath garlands, fall leaf, autumn leaf garlands, and some wreaths, but nothing like table settings or plates or anything for like Thanksgiving or just fall. So I was disappointed in that. So then I went into Target. I like to just look at the dollar spot, that I think sometimes they call it the bullseye playground, maybe. But that's the only thing I look at in Target. I hate to say it. But it is dwindling. The size of it is much smaller. Most of the shelves were empty. And there wasn't anything there that I wanted. And then I went in Dollar Tree, and I couldn't really find anything in Dollar Tree, and I gave up. And every time I go to Binghamton, really where we go is Vestal, which is, right near Binghamton. I am disappointed because I can never find what I'm looking for. And it's kind of depressing. I'm going to cut my little grass pieces up now. And I'm hoping that the glue stick will make them stick. Will make it stick. Yeah, so I don't know. I was kind of disappointed in my shopping. Last year I got the cutest tablecloth there. But it's one of those plastic ones that also, has like a felt back. And it wears out pretty quick. It's got little tiny, looks like pinholes in some of the spots. But I still have it on because it's so cute. It's like mushrooms and frogs. And I I was hoping to find something just as cute, but I didn't find anything, so. Alright, let's put, oh actually, maybe I'll put the grass on over the horse's feet. I think that would work better. So I'm going to fussy cut this off camera. Got this guy all cut out, and I have to say I am very proud of this sword here. Or if that even what that is. It seems very long to be a sword. But I feel very accomplished. Like I can do just about anything in the fussy cutting world. But I don't think I'm going to bother cutting this out. I don't want to ruin the reins and whatever this is. And it's almost the same color as the background. So I am going to just leave it like that. And glue it down. Very carefully. Because I really don't want to mess up that sword now. Which could easily happen with me. And the legs. I don't want to mess up the legs. Okay, I think I got glue on every bit. And here we go. So we'll put him there, the knight in shining armor. And now I'm going to just put some of this grass around his feet in little patches. What do you think? What do you think of that? Does it look good? Does it look like dried up grass? Or grass that is drying up? Does it blend in with the background enough? Am I getting them on straight enough? That's the other thing. They're not straight. Not all of them. They're not even in the glue. I wonder. Almost if you pry them apart, they might look more realistic even. There's some glue there. And I think that's it. I don't think I'm going to add any more. It would definitely, like if I took all the strands apart, it would definitely look thinner. Like thinner grass. But that's okay. That would be a lot of work that I don't want to do. Alright, and so now the last thing was the butterflies. So I'm just going to use the two little ones, and there is going to be blue around them. I'm going to kind of just try to not have grass on them for one thing. Put them up in this area where it might blend in better. Okay, it's more bluish there, so I think that's good. And let's check to make sure we have everything. An image with the sky, patterned paper, something from a period in history, something that starts with B, fiber or yarn or string, and something torn is this. So we have everything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.